Becoming an affiliate marketer is in many ways the perfect business model. Here's a way to earn money online while you sleep without even having to build a product. This is the method that is most commonly promoted by internet marketing gurus and that has reportedly helped them to live the lifestyles of their dreams, to buy their own private jets, and to generally enjoy the kind of lifestyle that was once the sole reserve of famous celebrities and extremely successful CEOs. You may be wondering if this is all too good to be true. Can you really earn that much money while you sleep? By selling someone else's product? If that's true, then why aren't more people online billionaires? Here's the truth. It absolutely is possible to earn a huge amount of money online as an affiliate marketer. Plenty of people genuinely have made a huge amount of money by selling affiliate products online. The problem? The methods that they share very often don't reflect the best strategies that you should employ. Why? This often comes down to one of two things. One, they don't want you to know the techniques they are actually using to get rich. Newsflash, it's selling those books to you. Two, they actually aren't that successful. That's because a large proportion of the people who are successful are already living on a sunny island somewhere and no longer need to sell ebooks. The intention of this book is to cut through the noise, to do away with the distracting nonsense, and to instead focus on just what actually works. In other words, this book will explain to you how you actually sell a product successfully. That means teaching you the very strategies that were probably used to sell you this book. That's not a bad thing, by the way. The very fact that you have been a customer means that you will have a great idea of what it is that appeals to someone when buying an ebook. You can get inside the minds of your customers. What you're really going to learn then is a set of tools and strategies, a number of different methods and concepts that you can apply when selling anything. That will help you to be highly successful. Ready to start making some huge sales? Want to get rich from a product without even having to own a product to sell? Then go through all of the training. You're going to learn to do all those things. I hope you're excited, because this could be the start of something awesome. Affiliate Marketing Explained. Essentially, affiliate marketing means selling for commission. This works online in just the same way as it does for a door-to-door salesman. That is to say that you will be selling a product that you did not create and do not own the rights to, but in return, you will get to keep some commission. This is a powerful option for those who want to earn money online but don't necessarily have the skills or the resources to build an ebook, an online course, or something else from scratch. The big difference between being an affiliate marketer and a door-to-door salesman, of course, is that the affiliate is someone who will be able to sell their products to the entire world. Thanks to the web, it's possible to reach pretty much anyone, right in the comfort of their home. This makes affiliate marketing endlessly scalable, and with the right product and the right pitch, you can make a huge killing. Selling digital products has a huge number of impressive advantages after all. Firstly, selling digital products means that there is no storage and no delivery. That, in turn, means that a much bigger cut of the revenue will be split between you and the owner of the product. Affiliates can often stand to earn 70% or even 90% from promoting digital products. By offering higher commissions on their products, product owners can attract more people to help them sell them. Thus, it is in their best interest to give away a big cut. This is a rare instance of a genuinely win-win scenario. Advantages of becoming an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing removes many of the challenges and obstacles that you face when trying to sell something online. Some of these are obvious, others are not. First of all, selling an affiliate product means you don't need to create something new. This means that you can start earning money immediately. As soon as you're accepted as an affiliate, you can start making cash. What's even more beneficial about selling affiliate products is that it allows you to sell products that have been proven. In other words, you can look and see which affiliate products are selling the best. How much have they made so far? How are they rated? This way, you can choose a product that is almost guaranteed to be a hit for you. You at least know that it has the potential to be a hit for you. The biggest downside of being an affiliate is that this is not your product. For all that affiliate marketing has amazing benefits, you ultimately are selling someone else's creation. And unlike selling a PLR package, private label rights, you won't have the opportunity to change it or to make edits as you see fit. This means that you'll be selling something that isn't necessarily a reflection or extension of your own personality, views, or styles. This is then significantly more difficult to sell. However, we will show you how you can overcome this.